we celebrate the festival Deepavali as Naraka Chaturdashi. The significance of this Naraka Chaturdashi is that Bhuma Devi and her husband Shri Krishna both slayed their own son Naraka. Naraka was actually son of Bhuma Devi. Bhuma Devi now was incarnated in the form of Satyabhama. So both mother and father together for sustenance of dharma had to slay their own son for the sake of establishing the order of dharma in this bholoka. So whenever an evil force is won over in the battle, it is subject of great joy for everybody. And he himself, Narakasura, wanted us to celebrate his death. That's why this Naraka Chaturdashi, otherwise known as Deepavali, is celebrated all over the world where Hindus live. But why we call it Deepavali? There is a significance. The Deepas are lit during this Kartika Masa. It is Ashwayuja in Kartika. Deepavali sometimes occur in the Ashwayuja, or sometimes it goes to even Kartika according to Chandramana and Sauramana variations. When we look at the spiritual aspect of celebrating this Deepavali, we have to start thinking about the Jyeshtha Masa Paurnami, which is celebrated as Vyasa Purnima. From the day onwards, when a Purva Paksha and Apara Paksha, that is Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha, are counted, from the day on the next day, Prathama onwards, Jyeshtha Masa Krishna Paksha Prathama onwards, when we count it, the fifth Paksha or the fifth fortnight is the Mahalaya Paksha. We call it Pitru Paksha. And this Pitru Paksha for 15 days is meant for offering Shraddham, Tarpanam, Pinda Pradhanam for all our parents and ancestors who have been our forefathers, and we offer them the Pindam. So, during this Pitru Paksha, from the Pitru Lokam, our forefathers descend on earth and they receive the Tarpanam, Pinda Pradhanam, Shraddham, all the Shraddha karmas that we perform for their tripti, satisfaction. And they stay here for some more days, exactly to say till this Deepavali, Ashwayuja, or even Kartika, Krishna Paksha Amavasya, when the with the Naraka Chaturdashi and Amavasya, the period ends. So that is exactly the time when the Pitrus who have descended on earth for taking up this Shraddham and Tarpanam are returning back to their place, Pitru Lokam, during the same period, which is known as Saptama Parapaksha Punyakala. This Mahalaya Paksham starts with Panchama Parapaksha Punyakala, that is the fifth Aparapaksha, that is Krishna Paksha from the Jyeshtha Krishna Paksha Prathama. So significantly, this spiritually, this is very, 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 very important. Both religiously and spiritually it is important for all the Sanatana Dharmis and Hindus. So, when they come, it is during the daytime. When they go back to their Pitru Lokam, it is night time. So, we light Deepam for them to return safely to their Pitru Lokam. That is why Deepams are lit everywhere. And the Ulka, that is the fireworks that we now celebrate, the fireworks and the crackers that are associated with the festival of Deepavali is simply for this reason, that it is to show them the required light to safely return to the Pitru Lokam. That's why we offer ulka to Vedic Brahmins. Ulka is in Tamil we call it Divatti. There will be a staff or a log in which some cloth is tied and it is soaked in the ghee or oil. Then it is lit. It will brightly burn for some time. Normally we keep the Divatti during the Shobha Yatra when the god is taken on the road. We have to, earlier days there was no Petromax, there was no other electrical lights, etc. etc. We only had this Deepantam or Divatti. Divattis are for lighting up the area. So this mattapu and crackers or the fireworks that we light up the Akasham, because they go by the way of Akasham, no? So it is religiously and also spiritually significant for every Hindu to light the ulka and also offer this ulka as dhanam to Vedic Brahmins. This is how the Deepavali, Naraka Chaturdashi is also associated with the lighting of lamp and lighting of ulkas and offering it to Vedic Pandits, all these things. So, celebrating this Deepavali as Naraka Chaturdashi by waking up early in the morning and applying oil early in the morning and taking snanam with the hot water, all these things are part of Naraka Chaturdashi. And on that day, we perform Yama Tarpanam also. We satisfy the Yama to give solace to our parents and ancestors who have left us. So it is very, very, very significant for all the Hindus to celebrate in a traditional way of lighting up the sky with all the crackers and fireworks. It is part and parcel of our Hindu custom. So wherever there is absolutely no issue involved with the environmental pollution or those things, because in dense cities like Delhi or somewhere else, people may ban using the crackers and other things. But wherever it is not there, people need to celebrate it in the traditional way with pomp and splendor. So this is not something that we have developed this habit in the middle. It has been there right from the ages of Vedas, and we have been religiously, spiritually following all these customs, and these customs should not go into oblivion. We need to revive and sustain all these systems to nourish our worth of life and way of life, and also show the way to our younger generation. With this, I offer my humble pranams to all the people and also wish you all the best and happy Deepavali celebrations. Wishes. Thank you.